Happy New Year to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but hey guys, I'm so happy you're sticking around with me. I appreciate that. And today we are going to be looking at this wig. It's a wet roller set style. So I washed it, the rollers in, left it to dry overnight on the mannequin, and here it is. Having a ball with this wig right now, removing the rollers. So therapeutic. It's so healing because the wig is so nice. The outcome is just beautiful. The colors are popping, the curls are popping, they're juicy and luscious. If you buy this wig, you won't regret. Right now I'm adding some Emotions oil sheen and just making sure it's properly distributed. So now I'm just going to be using the Ebin holding spray to adhere the wig to my head. After applying a couple layers of the adhesive spray as shown in that box above. So right now I am just trying to install the wig. It's durable, the quality is really good. It can last for over a year, going into 2 years, depending on how it's cared for. It has texture, and you know what I mean, it has texture. It's just suitable for me. Okay, you understand. So here it is. I'm trying to get all the strands from underneath the lace. For more information about installation of the wig and also more details about this wig in particular, click on the link in this video. So now I'm just going to be applying some of that ebony tinted mousse. One thing with this mousse I noticed I wouldn't do next time is to apply no more than one layer. Why? Because when it's wet, it doesn't show that deep brown until it's dried. Then you see it. So right there I just applied some adhesive spray to kind of finish up the laying of the wig at the front, right? And then I tied it with a silk band to melt that lace onto my skin. Right here I am using a dryer to finish the drying process. It's on cool, so it won't crystallize the spray and cause that white residue. It's cool and nice, and I'm just passing it over to finish up, you know, the drying process. So guys, this step I would say was the most tedious. Why? Not because it was difficult to do, but I had to remove a lot of the hair from the frontal area to create a more natural look. You know, where hair is, it goes like in layers, where it transitions from thick to thicker to thickest, you know, starting from the front. So that's what I did, and it took some time off camera. So guys, as you can see, I've completed the thinning process and I'm now securing the back of the wig, and that's the clip at the back. You're just kind of putting it underneath the headband at the back of my head, not on my skin, because it will peel out. That comb clip can cause friction with your skin, hence hair loss at the back of your head. So I secure my clip inside of the wig cap and the headband at the back. So now I'm just massaging this hair and getting that hair reignited after such trauma. We applied some oil sheen and I'm using the right comb, the big teeth comb, to comb it and style it right now. The hair is ready for any occasion, including the gym, because you put the headband on, or head tie, or a hat, or a cap, and there it is. So wig tip 101, for those who wear the wig to the gym and it gets wet, you come home, you allow it to dry, and it's ready again. Yes, it's just like that. Lot of body mousse that I'm applying there to create some sideburns. Yes, I remember having my sideburns. I got rid of them. Now I want them back. I'm going to allow them to reappear. I am trying to create some baby hair here. You know, I want them very thin and natural looking. So guys, this is the last step. This is the last wrap. This is the last melting. It's time to style. So we're now touching down on making the parting more pronounced. And then I'm going to drop a few styles. Nothing too outlandish, but simple and beautiful. Look at the color for a minute. Look. So golden, so bronze, so chocolate, so beautifully distributed in the black. The hair is nice.
Still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats
So this is the ORS olive oil wig grip spray. It's like a holding spray. It's called Super Hold. So you spray the area, then you lift and hold. Yeah. And it holds it right there. It's like back in the days, spritz.
I see the stars align. With you I'm whole, with you I'm complete. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore. In your arms I feel alive. With you I soar and thrive. A love story written in the skies. In your love my spirit.
So guys, all the products I've used in my hair, I will list below. You can also pick them up from Amazon through my channel. I will put the Amazon link so you can click on it and shop for the item if you'd like.
Sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always you're the one I adore. In your love my finds its beat. Every walk, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always you're the one I adore. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift.